Hey everyone, today we're gonna be making brown stew pork with some boiled dumpling. So stay tuned. So make sure you guys fry it up on each side, and then put some water and then stir it down until it's cooked. Like an hour and a half. Okay guys, we're gonna fry it up on each side, and then when that is done, throw some water and cook until it's tender, roughly 40 minutes to 1 hour, and then throw in the seasoning and stew it down more for 20 minutes. Alright, so what we're gonna do is put in all the seasoning, and then we're gonna stew it down. Then we're gonna make our flour for the dumpling. And there you have it guys, stew pork and dumpling. The best thing in the world. You gotta try it. I will list all the ingredients in the box, and you guys can give it a try and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.